Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the National Security Minister has announced that an excellent intelligence team is tracking down criminals behind the multi-million-dollar robberies involving courier vehicles.
Dr. Horace Chang gave the update while making his sectoral presentation to Parliament today.
Andrea Chisholm has the details.
The nation is still stunned by the high-profile robberies of Beryllium vehicles which were about to service automated banking machines, ABMs. On two separate occasions, a total of $33 million was stolen from the couriers in Portmore, St. Catherine. ABMs are also being stolen. Against this backdrop, National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says the level of organized crime in Jamaica is deeply concerning.
Forming alliances between gangs to make this big, high public interest criminal activity. So we find gangs taking the best drivers from one area, or the driver who knows the area well. They find shutters from another area, others organize and spy out on a particular event, give time, etc. We have been able to get that much intelligence.
And so the police have taken strategic action. About 7 suspects have been detained in connection with the Beryllium robberies.
The police have built up an excellent intelligence team, but they are going further, analyze the activities and are developing effective strategic deployments in response to them. The police officers are not sitting back and waiting and hoping. They are taking strategic action. We continue to expand and improve our intelligence capabilities to ensure they have all the tools required. I make reference to the Beryllium case, which made news because already we have, in fact, taken up 4 of some 9 vehicles involved in that robbery. I mention it more to give reassure the country. The police is acting decisively, but has the intelligence and the capital to monitor these criminals. We'll find the rest of the vehicles.
In the meantime, Dr. Chang announced that 51 gangs with over 1,000 members are on the police's radar. 5 gang trials are now before the courts.
The Ranko gang is a very large trial involving a group that was heavily involved in criminal activity in this side of the island. The Kings Valley Extension gang, a gang that has been involved in numerous murders on the Westmoreland area. Members of the Umbrella gang, the Singer Nighttime gang, and the Jaggy gang, all 5 cases coming up in the court, which are demanding extra special work by the courts. In fact, the chief just indicating we should maybe get a special court for gang trial.
9 persons were convicted and sentenced in the Uchence Wilson gang trial. 15 were convicted in the Klangsman gang trial and are awaiting sentencing. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.